Top 3 Best Dental Insurance for Seniors in Virginia. For seniors in Virginia, dental costs don't usually explode all at once. They build quietly. A cracked filling, a sore tooth you ignore for weeks, a crown you didn't plan for. Then you're choosing between discomfort and a bill that stings more than it should. Here's the detail most people miss. The best dental insurance isn't the one with the lowest premium. It's the one that makes care easy to actually use when you need it. I'll tell you the single check that exposes the best choice at the end.
How I picked these 3.
I prioritized 3 things seniors feel immediately: dentist access, predictable out-of-pocket costs, and coverage that doesn't fall apart when you move from cleanings to real work. I also looked at how plans behave with common senior needs like dentures, implants, conversations, and ongoing gum care. Most importantly, I filter for clarity. A plan is only good if you understand what it does before you're sitting in the chair, stressed and trying to decide quickly. Rank 3, Aetna, the flexible, low-friction option. If you want a plan that feels straightforward and manageable, Aetna is a strong pick. It tends to fit seniors who want an easy experience, with plan choices that can work whether you prefer a wider dentist selection or a more guided network approach. This is especially helpful if you value simplicity and you don't want dental insurance to become a research project. The honest nuance is that the experience depends on your local dentist participation.
A plan can look great on paper, but if your preferred office isn't actually taking it, the value drops fast. If you verify access up front, this option can feel smooth and practical.
Rank 2, Cigna, the balanced coverage lane. If you're looking for a plan that feels like a solid middle ground, Cigna often fits well. It's a good match for seniors who want routine care to feel predictable, but also want a plan structure that can help when you need something more involved than a cleaning. This is ideal if you want steady coverage without feeling locked into one narrow path. The honest nuance is that covered doesn't always mean cheap. Some services still come with cost sharing that can surprise you if you assumed insurance means the bill disappears. If you want a balanced plan and you're willing to understand the fine details before you commit, this can be a strong choice. Rank 1, Delta Dental, the network comfort winner. For many seniors, the biggest headache is not the price. It's finding a dentist who takes the plan and can see you without endless back and forth. That's why Delta Dental often rises to the top. The day-to-day advantage is network comfort, meaning it's more likely to feel usable when you actually try to book care. This is a strong fit if you want less friction and you prefer insurance that behaves like a utility, not a puzzle. The honest nuance is that Delta has different plan styles and the right one depends on how you want to choose dentists. When you match the plan style to your lifestyle, it often delivers the calmest experience. The one check that tells you the best plan in your zip code. Now the detail I promised. Before you buy anything, do one simple check that prevents most regrets. Confirm appointment reality. Not just that a dentist is in network, but that they're accepting new patients on your exact plan and that the office you'd actually visit is convenient for you. Aetna is a smart pick if you want easy flexibility and a clean experience. Cigna is strong if you want a balanced setup that feels steady.
Delta Dental wins if you want the most reliable day-to-day usability for seniors in Virginia. Because the best dental insurance isn't what looks good on a quote, it's what still works when you need care next week.
And don't forget to check the description for helpful resources that will make things easier.
If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more.